I'm ripping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ride254 tuning in for another one. Let me show you what's going on current day. Let's get into it. So off of the stand, moving around, let me show you the current situation of what's going on. We're gonna give you an update on this stuff here. As you can see, the icy situation is improving. I can probably get in and out the driveway pretty easily now. Probably a lot of businesses and stuff are gonna be opening back up, etc., etc. So that is good. You can see all the snow is melting. The Chevy's pretty much unexposed. Back dirty, but see, unexposed. Yeah, everything's pretty much kind of turning to slush. Shout out to the sun, man. It's still cold, but nowhere near as cold as it was before all the ice. I was like in the yard, like all this was covered. I ain't really too much put it on the channel, but if y'all follow me on Instagram and all that, then you knew what was happening. So everything is melting off of the houses and everything like that. It's a beautiful day in the Lone Star State. Getting back to normal. Getting back to normal. So, where was I before this stupid snow happened? So yeah, we have received the ties, right? Had a little bubble situation going on right here. So basically, I do need to try to go find some gas. The whole heavy rain been holding us down. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's two-wheel drive, she been getting around the snow, all that. But so basically, just gonna get the tire off. Well, rim and tire off. We're gonna go ahead and get these mounted. Like I said, I'm probably just gonna do the one. Probably just gonna do one for now. Order another tire and then do both of the back ones. But like right now, I don't know when, you know, UPS and all that stuff gonna get back to running, because at work we hadn't been getting none of our trucks. UPS, FedEx, and all that was running due to the weather conditions. So I said this tire's still good, no bubbles, whatever. So like I said, we'll take one tire, get it put on that side, and then on this we'll get probably as this clears up, we'll get the other. I guess I'll just go ahead and order them shits in twos. Order 2 tires, and what we also need to order is the ball hone, so that we can get not these cylinders, but the cylinders on that block over here to be honed, so we can get it ready for the transfusion that's about to happen. Give y'all an update on this. Basically, from the stuff that Cortez brought me from the Mo Power box, nothing's been installed yet. However, I'm saying we did use the chem dip that he brought us. Probably can dip it again, but pretty much just started the process of getting everything cleaned up. I'm saying everything kind of sucked for a little bit. Not terribly long, but you know, enough to clean it up. I did leave this one here so I can show you like the before and the after. So this is one that has not been touched at all. You know what I'm saying? Not touched at all versus, you know what I'm saying, one that just been down through there. So that should be good to go. But like I said, I can do that in the comforts of the garage. But now that this is breaking up and stuff, like I said, I'm finna try to get the tire. Get that tire for that thing installed, and then we'll go from there. So hopefully we can find some gas, get the tire installed, and that's the agenda. Alright, so as you can see, tires off. See that bubble real good now. Real good. So that one right there, I think it probably with this cold and stuff, it probably boils more than it was originally. The other bulge, yeah. See, that's way worse than it was before. Trying to get the top out of here. I don't think it's nothing that we hit or anything like that. It's just the fact that the tire was used, old, whatever. So as you can see, new rubber onto my 245/30s. We're gonna see if we can find a shot and get it put on. I got some other stuff brewing. Like I said, that's why I'm not finna go ahead and get both of the fronts done. Like I said, I'm gonna order two more tires. Two more tires. Those will go on the back, and then I could order one more tire, and it could go on the back. Those two could go on the back, and then order one more, but like I said, I'm gonna just order them both. Same time, probably can get a better deal on them, get them things coming, and then whenever this tire do decide to give out, cause like I said, man, it ain't like this tire was giving us, we spend money on that tire and the balancing, so when it finna be cheapo still down in there somewhere, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We ain't just finna be changing tires. Changing tires, like this right here is like a matter of national security and safety, so that's why this got to come on up off of here. But yeah, so let's get to the tire shop, see if we can make shake. Alright, y'all, so we back on the road, man. Like I said, we finna go try to find us a tire. I've been slipping this shot, sliding through this shit all week. Meanwhile, other people just now coming out into the world and shit, finding out how shitty this shit was. But I mean, I ain't mad at them. Shit, if you ain't had nowhere to go, shit, stay your ass home. Real talk. Safety first. Whatever you trying to wait on, see on, be on. I mean, all that shit'll be there when you get big. So yeah, I'm finna try to go get a tire. You can see, got a new tire rod shotgun, other one in the back seat. Just set it on some tires so it don't mess my dish up. And then we out. To the next episode. Hey, 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 hey. Smoke weed every day. Alright, let's go. So we just now getting ready to leave the Walgreens. Why am I leaving Walgreens? Because the dude at the tire shop is only taking cash. And the ATM, the one by at my bank's like main ATM, that shit is like out of fucking cash. But my bank got an ATM also at Walgreens. You know what I'm talking about? So I ran up here, grabbed some cash out. And it's crazy, like, I don't know, like the infrastructure, like the way it's set up or whatever. But it is what it is. So, but definitely everybody's back out here shaking and moving, and finna go get this tire put on, and I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, got that mounted up. 245, 30, 22. Y'all need something done, man. Holla at my dog down here, One Stop Tire Shop. That's where Cortez told me to come check him out. He pointed out to me something about the bead right there. As you can see, it's splitting like all right there. So it's all good. Got the new on there. I like the way that looks, kind of fully. But we'll get it back home and stuff there. Well, first we gotta get some gas, but we'll get that put on there. We'll be good to go. Unlike the other ones, these are not a directional tire, but yeah. You know, like I said, I like how it's there. It's a low profile, but it's not to the point where it's not, you know what I'm saying, going to, it's not sticking out too much. It's not sticking out like the 235 was, so. Alright, so it's one day out, this fucking snow melting, everybody come back out, she back stupid. Got the rim back there sitting shitting on this new 245 tire. I started to go ahead and get that other one put on, but I don't know. I'ma wait, bro. I'ma wait. It might look a little funky for a minute, but if anything, my concern more so is them two back tires now more than the ones in the front, or that one in the front. Cause yeah. So you know how I go. But with the air shocks on there, it's not really an issue. Now I'm in line waiting on trying to get some food for the old lady, whatever. See what the hell she want, man. I'm gonna order mine first, and then I'll get her.
So you know, I do have a limited menu due to the storm. At the moment, I only have fried rice, chow mein, orange chicken, honey water shrimp, honey sesame chicken. I also have egg roast, spring roast, and rice.
Okay, so you said you have orange chicken and what?
Orange chicken, honey sesame chicken, and honey water shrimp.
Okay, let me get the orange chicken
With rice or chow mein?
with rice.
Rice, and then for your chicken entree? Or do you want a bowl or a plate? I'm sorry.
It's a plate.
Okay, and so plate with fried rice, orange chicken, and what else?
Yeah, you can do, well, yeah, let me get two of the plates. And then just do them both. Well, no, one orange and the other one honey sesame.
One orange, one honey sesame, alright, and then anything else?
Nah, that should do it.
Alright, I got a plate of fried rice, orange, and honey sesame, go to the floor, I'll have everything at the window.
Did you get both plates?
Oh, you wanted 2 plates?
Yeah.
And what was the second thing?
Exactly like the first one.
All right, let me see. I have enough. Okay, go ahead and pull forward.
Okay. Alright, so there we go. 245, 3024. I like the way it look on there. I like the way it look on there. Not super beefy like the back, but it doesn't look as small as it did on the 235. To give you a flashback reminisce. That's a 245 and the 230, 235, 230, whatever. It just look a whole lot smaller, man. So, in my opinion, definitely looks better as it does. So, let's go wrap this video up, man. So I'm gonna go eat. Appreciate y'all for sliding through. Rock with the boy, like I said, man. The ice had us kind of immobile, but as you can see, it's dripping off everything. I even got the truck back up in the driveway. And it's back to business as usual. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity of procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. I don't know why people don't ever take the stick off of there. I ain't never did it either, so maybe it's a good luck thing. Just burn it off. So y'all stay tuned, man. Keep watching, and remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Gone.